Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Tidewater Inc. This is ticker TDW. Now, we mentioned TDW this morning before the open over at StockMarketMentor.com, and glad we did. Glad this one was on our watch list because it had a gorgeous day in a day where the rest of the market looked actually pretty terrible. But Tidewater held up nicely around the 8 and the 21-day EMA and even got back above the 8-day exponential period moving average and doing it on a nice pickup in volume. So I definitely think this stock should be on your watch list, especially if you are looking for relative strength versus the rest of the market. You know, if we look at something like OIH or XLE, a lot of these energy ETFs, they look the same. They're under the 8 and 21 day, but TDW, so this one is outperforming a lot of the other stocks within the group, and that is a stock, in my opinion, that you definitely want to keep an eye on. In terms of a new entry on this stock, probably want to have an alert right around that level, just around $69, and look for a strong move above 69 coming on higher than average volume. Now, keep in mind, we are close to a local resistance zone, so I wouldn't be surprised if this came up here, got rejected, and pulled back and just kind of chopped around while the market figures out what oil and gas is going to do. But this is definitely one I think you can watch and trade in this market despite a lot of the volatility. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And hopefully I'll see you soon over at StockMarketMentor.com.